2026 Aprilia Tuono V4, the ultimate supernaked's final form. The unrivaled supernaked evolves. Speed riders, where we live for the thrill of the ultimate street fighter for years, one name has dominated the conversation when it comes to charismatic, track-bred supernakeds. That reign is about to be solidified. The 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4 is coming. This isn't just a new model year, it's the next chapter in the legacy of the machine they call the God of Thunder. Prepare for a fusion of Italian passion and cutting-edge technology that will redefine the boundaries of the hyper-naked segment. Design and aesthetics. Aggressive Italian sculpture. The upcoming Tuono V4 is expected to take Aprilia's signature aggressive styling to the next level. Imagine the razor-sharp lines of the RSV4's fairings, adapted for a naked bike's muscular posture. The signature triple headlight setup will be even more pronounced, flanked by sharper air intakes and more defined aerodynamic winglets that provide real downforce. The tails section will be tighter and more minimalist, emphasizing the bike's race-ready intent. It will be a rolling piece of Italian sculpture, looking as fast and furious standing still as it does at full lean. Powertrain. The soul of a racetrack legend. At the heart of the new Tuono will remain the glorious 1077 cubic centimeters 65-degree V4 engine. But for 2026, Aprilia's engineers are not resting. We anticipate further refinements to the engine management system, sharpening throttle response and broadening an already monstrous torque curve. The goal is not just more peak power but more usable explosive power everywhere in the rev range. The sound, already a defining characteristic, will be further perfected. A deep guttural roar at low revs that transforms into a spine-tingling F1-inspired scream as the revs climb. This is an engine that doesn't just provide acceleration, it provides a theatrical event. Chassis and electronics. A technological masterpiece. The 2026 Tuono V4 will be a rolling supercomputer. It will inherit the sublime aluminum twin-spar frame and swing arm from the RSV4, offering telepathic handling and feedback. The semi-active electronic suspension from the top-tier factory model is expected to become even smarter with faster reaction times and more intuitive calibration. The crown jewel, however, will be the latest evolution of Aprilia's APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control suite. We anticipate a more sophisticated 6-axis IMU, predictive wheelie control and cornering ABS that feels even more natural, giving the rider the confidence to exploit the bike's full terrifying potential. The promise: the ultimate street riding experience. What does this all mean for the rider? The 2026 Tuono V4 promises to be the most engaging, thrilling, and capable supernaked ever created. It will offer a perfect blend of raw, visceral feedback and electronic sophistication that makes its immense performance accessible. The riding position will be the perfect sporty yet manageable compromise. Ideal for carving canyons and dominating backroads, it will be a machine that connects you to the road like no other, transforming every ride into an unforgettable experience of speed, sound, and pure Italian emotion. Final teaser: the apex predator awaits. From speed riders, the message is simple: the supernaked hierarchy is about to be challenged. The 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4 is not just an iteration, it is the culmination of over a decade of V4 dominance. It represents the ultimate expression of a no-compromise race-bred street fighter for the rider who demands the pinnacle of performance, character, and technology. The wait for the new Tuono will be agonizing, but it will be worth it. The God of Thunder is returning, and its roar will be louder than ever. Stay tuned.